sadly, a few generations down the line, that might not be able to happen. That's because of deforestation, when people cut down trees at a rate faster than they grow back. Hi, my name is Naranjan, and I'm going to talk to you about deforestation. A long time ago, this earth was covered in lots of trees, but when humans came, they cut them down for housing and agricultural space. Now, since 1600s, 90% of all indigenous forests have been removed, and only half the rainforest remains. Also, forests only cover 31% of the earth. You might wonder why someone would cut down trees when it's such a bad thing. People cut down trees for fuel, where they sometimes burn the trees and get energy out of that, or they clear the land for mining. They also have to clear the space from the trees for roads. Another thing is housing. Sometimes there's overpopulation and they need more space, so they cut down trees and put houses there. Some people also cut down trees to get commercial items like palm oil. And there's also the lumber industry. Things like paper and matchsticks all come from the trees. So, another thing people cut down trees is for agricultural space. To clear the land, they usually use the slash and burn technique, where they cut down the trees and burn them, which leaves space for which leaves ashes in the ground for good farming. But after a while, the nutrients go away and the farmer moves on to another space of land to farm on. Did you know that 50 to 90% of all forest activities are illegal logging, and that most logging happens in Indonesia? You might wonder what something in Indonesia might affect me here, but the effects can be drastic. One effect is that 27,000 species go extinct every year, and we haven't even discovered those species. Another effect is global warming. When we cut down trees, we're reducing our oxygen vapors and releasing the carbon dioxide stored inside them. Deforestation accounts for more greenhouse gases than all transportation combined. If you wonder what you can do to stop deforestation, you can refuse to buy products like palm oil, because to get that, they cut off huge parts of the tree to get the fruit, and they clear lots of land for the huge plantations. Also, if you really need palm oil for cooking, one substitute you can use is soybean oil. You can even plant a tree and recycle. If everybody planted one tree, there would be more than 7 billion trees, and you can even adopt part of the rainforest. It might seem really hard, but if we do all the things, we can save the trees. Although none of these will bring the dead species back to life, we can still save the forest. Thank you.